Split screen instructions. So for example, if you're opening an assignment to do in Introduction to Computers, you go ahead and open the file. It has the assignment sheet and a video. So I'm first going to open the video. It usually has ads in the beginning, so I'll skip the ad after 4 seconds. Pause it.
Hey guys, so today I thought...
So I opened up the YouTube video, I skipped the ad, and I'm on the video. I want to view the video and also see the questions. So I'll go back to Brightspace and I'll open up the assignment sheet, which is a Word document. And you can enable the editing so you can see the directions. So you want to have both of them. If you were to go back to your video, you have the video and you want to go back to Word, so you keep losing them. You can't have them at the same time. So what you do in the taskbar on the very bottom, where there's no apps to click, right click and choose Show Windows Side by Side. And ones that you no longer need, you can just minimize for now, and then you just go to the title bar and drag it over, drag this one up. But you can actually now, because you chose View Side by Side, you can see both of them on the screen. So I can go ahead and play, and I have my questions, so I can just go back and forth to both screens. And I have a split screen, and I have both of them visible at the same time. So that's split screen. Thank you.